Why is there that shadow? Hold on. Hey guys, it's still there. I don't know, whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Laurina. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my new apartment. Obviously not an apartment that I bought because let's slow down. But yeah, in case you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I have moved. I am now in the UK, and today was finally move-in day into my new apartment. For the past month, I've basically been hotel quarantining, and then I was at my aunt and uncle's house, and now my lips are dry. I'm in my new apartment. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now because it's a mess. I honestly thought that by now I would have had all my things sorted out, but nope, I do not have things sorted out. I still have quite a long way to go. This is it right now. I'll show you what it looks like when it's clean, and I'll show you the rest of the place. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I am tired, but my room is kind of clean, but not really. Let me just show you what it looks like now. So there's stuff that needs to be sorted inside that towel. Just don't even question it, okay? And this is my bed, and this is what my room looks like. Kind of clean, semi-clean. It's not bad. It's obviously not what I would like for it to be. Can you guys please give me ideas on what to do with this space? I feel like it's empty. I feel like it needs something, but then the radiator's there, so I can't really put my desk there. But I don't know. Please give me ideas. I would appreciate it. The sun is still out, and it is 8:49, which is good. The only reason I'm filming this now, even though I'm not actually done, I'm not at the level that I would like to be, is because the sun is leaving me. As you can see, I got a bulb for my lamp from Poundland, and I got this lamp from my cousin. Thank you so much, Meg. You're the real MVP. Throwing up gang signs. And then everything in this closet, cupboard, drawer, I don't know what it's called, is kind of not really done, but I haven't really bought things. At this point, when you're seeing this vlog, I wouldn't have shown you that I've already been to IKEA, but the reason we didn't buy anything from IKEA was because I didn't know what my room was going to look like or what I need or whatever. So I'm going to buy a shoe rack and a place to put my bags. I don't think I'm going to do that because I only have 2 bags, literally. But yeah, this is this side. And then this other side, I've decided to put my warm stuff and then my 2 bags in there. There's a bag inside that bag, and then there's this bag and that bag. A laundry basket, which is turned into an underwear basket. And then I'll get another laundry basket, which is going to basically sit there and be a laundry basket. And then I have my night stuff, which is my pajamas and socks. No, pajamas and something, I don't know. This stuff right here, this is what I mean by I wasn't done. This stuff is meant to go all over the house. And this is the living area. I think they call it the day area or something, I don't know. But yeah, this is the day area. This is the kitchen. I've never lived in a house that has a kitchenette like this. Like kitchens usually have, like, you know, walls. I love the concept of this fridge because you can't really tell it's a fridge until, you know, you get in here. Even when I was watching videos, I didn't really ask myself where the fridge was, but now I know. It's behind this wall. Love it. So that's everything in there, and then there is the freezer, and then, you know, standard kitchen stuff, you know what I mean, and we have a washing machine. Hallelujah. I was actually worried about that because I've never been to a laundrette. Is it a laundrette or a laundrinette, girl? I don't know, child. And then there's this chair here, which I have not sat on because I'm actually kind of scared of these kind of chairs. They look like they're just gonna break, and then what must can to happen? I have not registered with a GP. The NHS doesn't know that I exist. so let's not do that yet. And then this is the outside. Okay, this is what outside looks like. This is the sun setting, so I'm pretty sure the sun then, it means that the sun rises this side or whatever, I don't know, but the sun is setting like behind us. But it's actually pretty dope. It's pretty cool. We're in the town center. Literally the town center is like there, like the city center is literally right there. Took a walk yesterday. But yeah, like I was saying, from the other side, this is the lounge area. My roommate, I don't know whether you call it a roommate. Okay, comment down below in the comment section if you're living with somebody and you're not living in the same room, are they still called your roommate? I don't know what the terminology is, because housemate has always been kind of, I don't know, it's a weird term. But yeah, this is the lounge area. That's the TV. Looks pretty dope. She's done a very good job at decorating it. I love it. I just think it's pretty cute. And then going back, this is my bedroom. We've already seen that. My housemate slash roommate's bedroom. I'm not going to invade her privacy, but that's where that is. Her room is slightly bigger than mine, so basically what her room looks like, just to give you an idea, is she has 2 of these, so it's significantly bigger than mine. So she has 2 of these sliding doors, and I think that's all I can remember because she showed me in the morning when I got here, but I'm not gonna invade people's privacy, girl. And then this is the front door. We've already shown this. That's how you come in. And this is some towels that she said she got for us. And this right here is the boiler room. And then the bathroom. I think the bathroom is so cute. And not cute as in small. I just think it's like, I just think it's beautiful. I think it's modern or newly renovated or whatever, but it's got quite a bit of space. There's quite a bit of space in this bathroom. And yeah, this is basically my home until further notice. And that's it, you guys. That's literally the apartment tour. So y'all are gonna be seeing me in this bathroom a lot. So I have this video coming up, then I have a skincare video, and I'm tired. I have this video coming up. Then I have a skincare video slash giveaway video coming up. Then I'm actually gonna do a sit down and talk about what on earth I'm doing in the United Kingdom. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah? Yeah? That's it.